Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall SEMrush projects and campaigns, beginner guide step by step clearly.
To uninstall a project in SEMrush, start by logging into your SEMrush account. Navigate to the Projects section on the left-hand side menu. Locate the project you wish to uninstall from the list displayed. Click on the three-dot icon next to the project name for additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Delete Project. A confirmation prompt will appear. Read the message carefully to ensure you want to proceed. If you're sure, click Delete. The project will now be removed from your account. Next, to uninstall individual campaigns, return to the Projects section. Select the project that contains the campaign you want to uninstall. Once inside the project, navigate to the Campaigns tab. Find the specific campaign you wish to delete in the list. Click on the three-dot icon next to the campaign name. Select Delete Campaign from the options provided.
A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure about deleting the campaign.
Review the information and click Delete to confirm. Your campaign will now be uninstalled successfully. Repeat these steps for any additional projects or campaigns you wish to remove. That's it. You have successfully uninstalled projects and campaigns in SEMrush.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.